This is Ed. Welcome to another Exchange 2016 installation video. This is still part of the series. We're looking at part 7 now. And in this video we're going to talk about accepted domains. An accepted domain means that I'm an authoritative source for my domain. For example, TLab has to have records outside to say that it is registered in DNS externally. For example, Microsoft knows how to get hold of you if they want to query your MX records, etc. What I do want to bring to your attention is that when you install Exchange, and let's say you're not using your external name as your domain name. For example, I didn't use tlab.com or tlab.coz or tlab.org as an example. You will see that it lists the default domain as tlab.local. Now, tlab.local is not resolvable on the internet. Mail will bounce because it doesn't know how to get there. Nobody can get to tlab.local, right? So what you would have to do is you would have to create a new accepted domain. You can call it tlab, but then I'm going to call it tlab.coza. That's my authoritative domain. Right, authoritative, it's only valid for my domain. I'm not basically making it an internal relay, because you can add accepted domains where you might just be passing the mail on to mailboxes outside of the organization. We're not going to do that. So we're going to choose authoritative and we're going to click save. So now you can see that I have my main domain here. If I click the edit button, you can see now I can make this the default. Okay, what does that mean? If I go to my recipients now and I create a mailbox and I call it user 1, we'll leave it as that. It'll be user 1 password sorry, can put it on a database, put it on A, right, and I click save. What I want you to notice is that if we go to the email addresses tab, because I don't have an email address policy assigned, it's not going to allow it. So you can type here user1@tlab.co.za, click OK. I want to be able to update this. Click save. If we go back here now, you can see that it's as a small SMTP address, not the big SMTP address. Now you can see that making it the default, it is now the primary email address and not the .local address. And there you have accepted domains. Thank you for watching.